Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, because eating good shouldn't mean going broke. Today's budget meal is going to be a creamy bean and cheese pasta. It's going to be a quick, fast, and easy one. We're going to start with boiling our water. We're going to salt our water. Now that our water's boiling, we're going to add in 12 ounces of macaroni noodles. And we're going to cook them until they're al dente. And once the noodles reach al dente, we're going to drain them off and finish off the pasta. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of milk, 1.5 cups of shredded cheese, 1 can of black beans that we rinsed. We're adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, and cumin. Stir it together. And now we eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's our second time having it. It's not bad. It'll fill you up, that's for sure. It cost us right at $7.25 to get everything that we needed, which was 3 pounds of noodles. And you know, that's gonna last you a few more recipes when you use 12 ounces at a time. And it cost us about, this feeds about 6 people. So you're looking at, you know, a little over $1 a serving, which in this economy, that's not bad. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.